minds. Still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swing in a war machine, something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. Neon bleeding on cracked ground, I still I worship that ancient sound. Every strike of hand on skin, it feels like revolution within. Guitar cries like falling rain, bassline carries all the pain. From the dirt to skyline high, we are born to never die. Feel the rhythm take control, it's rewriting every soul. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. Hey! Rise, break, break, ignite in the dark, we claim the light. From the roots we take our stand, drum and steel across the land. No control, no machine. We are the sound between the same. Earth and fire, blood and stone. We rise up, we're not alone. We are still in sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe, thunder, metal roar. We are something so much more. No chains left, no final call. We are the sound that breaks it all. We are the sound that breaks it yeah, 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 yeah. Hear the bones speak. Hey! Hear the bones speak. Dust on my tongue, sky turn black. Walking where the spirits track. Every step a broken chant from a word I don't understand. Djembe calling through the mist, like a fist I can resist. Ancient rhythm in my chest won't let me ever rest. Something's moving underground in every silent heavy sound. I can feel it pulling me into what I'm meant to be. Tongues of the rhythm shout. Can I fill the air? Still I feel them everywhere. Voices buried in the ground. In the rhythm I am found. They try to bury what I am, but I rise like I was damned. Every beat a loaded gun. I am not the only one. From the silence comes the storm. From the broken we are born. Every echo in the night turns to fire, turns to fire. Bones of the rhythm the ground wake up. Feel the ground wake up. My feet on the crack city stone. In a rhythm like it's carved in bone. Smoke rising from a broken street where the past and future meet. Strength groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. We rise up through the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Yeah, I hear the city screaming, tying every heartbeat is a double rhyme. Bassline crawling like a serpent loud, lost souls moving through the crowd. No division in the sound we make. Every chain is about to break. Hands on fire when the skins are hit. Feel the world start to split. Something wild in the air tonight. Old and new in a single fight. We are the concrete tribe at night. Reggae roots with a metal bite. Djembe thunder, distorted skies. Ancient truth never dies. We rise up through the static pain, dancing in electric rain. From the jungle to the neon glow, let the broken rhythm flow. Hey. Shadows in the light, smoke and fire in the air, freedom screaming everywhere. Roots from deep, but the rage is near. Two worlds crash when I appear. Heartbeat tribal, electric soul, lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. From the ashes we ignite. Kick drum hurts, I feel it shake. Every move is give and take. Steel and wood in collision sound. Rebel spirit all around. Skank step mixed with rage inside. No more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise. We are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame. Nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, it's a scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. rising from the burning sand. Footprints shaking this broken land. Hear the djembe